Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You must start with the essentials. Make sure your Zerodha account is F&o approved and funded. Once done, transfer the margin needed and keep a 10 to 20% buffer for volatility. Next, choose the correct product type. Use NRML for carry trades and MIS for intraday leveraged positions, because the product determines margin calculations and squared-off rules. Now open the F&o Market Watch, add desired contracts, and check order book and limits so you can place your first trade immediately. You place trades by picking the exact contract, expiry date, strike price, and option type, call or put, and confirm the lot size. Once chosen, decide order type, use limit for price control, market for immediacy, stop loss to cap loss, or bracket orders to lock profit and limit risk. Make sure margins are recalculated before sending the order. Then monitor the order book. If you need automation, set GTT or bracket instructions so entries and exits follow your plan without constant screen time. You finalize trades by squaring off positions before expiry or by rolling to the next series when strategy dictates. Remember option time decay and the Greek's effect value. Once positions are live, monitor margin utilization closely. Add funds or trim exposure if utilization nears limits. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot systematically. Confirm product type, sufficient margins, exchange trading halts, and your app or internet connection. If orders are not executed, adjust price or use market orders cautiously.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.